everyone, welcome in. Thank you so very much. It's your girl Georgia. I'm back with another DIY video. Please forgive me and my speech impediment. Camera, it does this to me. Okay, today I'm back with another video, but first I must thank you for every person that subscribed, every person that commented, every person that liked it. It meant so much to me. It means so much to me. And for that, I want you to continue spreading the word, share it with a friend, share it on your social media handles, because I promise to add value. Having a baby, it's so much. I mean, you go into the baby store and you just buy things you don't even need, so you end up with a lot of baby stuff that you really don't need anymore because your child has grown or for whatever other reasons. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways, 3 ways in which you can repurpose your baby's old clothes. So please stay tuned. First, we're going to start off with this hat. I've already done, so this was the hat. I pulled down the hem 2 pieces. So I'm going to insert a zipper into it, and I'm going to make a cosmetic bag. You can put it in your bag with your lady stuff or your men's stuff. First, I'm going to take a zipper. I'm going to put it in half. Yes, I had this zipper for a while. It's blemished, but because I'm making this for myself, I'm going, and then I just snip it. That marks it, and I'll repeat the same step on the hat. Fold it in half. Snip. I don't need to do this at the bottom because the zipper is going at the top, and I'll repeat the same step. I will attach the zipper. This, I will use this as the outside. This is just for sticking. The front part of the zipper to the front part of the hat. First, you want to line up all these snips. They're all in place. A zipper and all. And then we are going to stitch it on the hat all the way around. I'm going to do this on the machine. I'll be back. Alright, so I've went to the machine, I've stitched it. I repeated the same step on the next side. This is what I have. Alright, so the opening, the tail, at the opening, I'm going to bend it in so the edge of it lines up with the seam allowance. Reason for that, when I join the other parts of the back, when I put everything together, this part, it will end up in the stitch, so you'll have a neat one. So I'm going to go back to the machine. You need to snip here, the curves. Just make small cuts, small incisions. Don't cut through the stitch now. Get the point. Yes, just continue that all the way around for both sides, and then I'm just going to stitch this baby up. Alright, so what we're doing now, we are doing a straight stitch across the bottom. Once we have completed that, we're going to cut our thread, of course, and we're going to zigzag just to finish the seam. We'll be changing the stitch style and stitch length. after that is completed, you are going to join the sides and also finish the seam with a zigzag. So remember to trim the excess fabric after this step is completed. Right here we are going to make a small stitch. We're going to join the seams. We're going to line up the seams for the side and the base, and once you do this you should have a little triangle looking shape, and then you're just going to stitch across about an inch from the tip of the triangle.
So I went and I stitched the baby up, and this is what it was.
Right, guys, this one it's super simple. I'm going to be making a hand sanitizer case with these socks, actual socks that my baby worn. Alright, it's so simple. I'm challenging you to make one. If you have a sock, a tiny little sock. I mean, it can be made with the bigger sock, but it's going to. And plus my hand sanitizer, it's small as well. They have some bigger bottles. If you have one, you can use an adult size sock, but I'm using a newborn. Alright, what we'll be doing, so you're going to flatten out the sock. So as if you're going to put it on the child, and we're going to make a slit, not too much because it stretches, just like that. You're going to stitch it along where the fibers are woven. So you should have something like that. And that is where the mouth of the sanitizer is going. It's a little tight, you don't want it too big. I'm sorry, I'm a little over myself, but in essence this is what you get. The ribbon is just to attach it to the sock, so you can put it on your bag. So I'm gonna show you that part. Alright, so first, if you're using a ribbon, please burn the edges so it doesn't fray. Place both ends like this, so you get a cute little loop. I'm sure it's not twisted. So you want a loop looking like this. And then on the inside of the socks, the sock, singular, you're going to stitch the ribbon down. I'm going to be using the machine, but you can hand stitch this. So this is what it looks like when it's done. So you put this part over the bag and you keep it in place. Look at how easy that is. So easy. We're going to want to make one for everyone. So third thing that I want to show you all how to make, it's a mug warmer. Some person say coffee sleeve. The purpose of it is just to be good to your hands, to take the extreme warmth or extreme cold off your hands. So if you have a bottle or a cup with warm or cold liquid, it will just protect you. You know what I mean? Alright, so I'll be using this bottle today as a demonstration, and I'll be using the dribbler. Yes, this is an actual dribbler used as well. First, we want to measure the circumference of the bottle or cup we're going to use, like I'm doing here. I'm measuring mine, and mine is more or less 10, right? So that means how much material we have working with. So we measure from here to here to get the length, the width rather, of the entire dribbler, and then we're going to measure from pocket here to get the width. Remember, we want 10 inches. So we're going to cut this. So we have 2 pieces that will cover the entire circumference of the hat with me. So I got 2 strips of fabric. Looking like this one is 7 inches. So I'm going to get 3 inches from this end and this was it for because I need some more. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Oh, one more thing. Because this is so worn and it's tattered and damaged, I'm just going to use a shirt, an outgrown shirt that will be the outer part of the fabric. Alright, so stay tuned. So this is my double. This is the shirt that I'll be using for the outside fabric. So I cut the width twice the width like this because here's what I'm going to do. Right sides going to be facing each other. Well, I am going to stitch this actually. Stitch this by itself and then pull this through. Have just going to turn it inside. So the printed side of the fabric is on the outside. Shake that baby out. And then I'm going to pull this fabric. I'm going to put it on the inside. This is right, so you can, I might eventually just go in and just have a little something. I might or might not. So this is what it is. That takes us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. That takes us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. And if you can do any of this yourself, please give me a like, subscribe. Please share if any of this content was useful. Also, if you went ahead and made any of these, you can put them in the comments below, and if you upload them to your social media handles, you can put the hashtag designermomja. Once again, that takes us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you.